Hey everybody, Kerry from Bab's Speed Warehouse. I got some new clasps in. They're hook and eyes. We've got them in 3 different sizes. They have rings on the top and the bottom for you to string to. Now they are closed off here when you get them, so we know we have a ring for you on each side of it, so the ring doesn't disappear. So what you have to do is take a pair of pliers in here and open it up a little bit. Here's the small one. Small one is only $10. And these are all handmade. Here's the medium one. I think this one's only $12. Let's see if we could zoom in without blurring it. Here we go. So we have 3 different sizes. We've got the $10 one, the $12 one, and I think this one is $34 for the big one. But that is big. We have these in stock, ready for shipping. My fat fingers keep on getting in the way. Yeah, let me just lay them down here. Here we go. That's all I've got for you today. So if you need a nice clasp, we've got one right here.